to share our ideas or views bilingual education and bilingualism in different countries.
The cerebrum, that's a big brain, that is a well-knit area. That is the name of the anatomist. Okay, then that sound remains in hippocampus. That's an inner screw that is about 8 or 9 years of age. That is like going up a very steep slope. It's almost impossible. So time of the individual function, developing a brain is the most important concept to think about the bilingual education.
I understand. And this is the outline of my talk. So first of all, I'd like to introduce you to multilingualism, the phenomenon as such. Briefly talk about linguistic diversity in the world. Then draw on by the benefits of bilingualism, multilingualism. Present some facts and myths in particular. There have been several myths that have been circulating and still alive. You've been mentioning one of those myths, exactly. One of those being bilingualism causing delay in linguistic development. Scientists point to at least some relationship between multilingualism and creativity and creative thinking, some relationship, which may lead to again divergent thinking in the sense of being able to approach a problem from different perspectives. Multitasking, switching between tasks. I'll show you an example in a minute what is meant by that. Multilinguals against the monolingual group, they showed delayed onset of dementia symptoms or Alzheimer's disease.
And the way that they are conducted is just a lot of games.
That bilinguals have used language to use more than one language on a daily basis.
We really started to recognize the importance of using language in a certain context and using subject matter.